Introducing the all-new 2023 Fiat Tipo 1.0 Cross 100 horsepower 5-door in sleek grey. This hatchback is not only stylish, but also packed with features to enhance your driving experience. From the convenience of Bluetooth phone and cruise control to the safety of anti-collision system and lane departure warning, this vehicle has it all. With a full, multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specifications, and a comprehensive warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing you are driving a reliable car. Visit our showroom or call us at Dooley Motors Carlow today to test drive this impressive Fiat Tipo.